Hey guys! So this week we're looking at different principles and applying them to some photography and graphic design things that we might use in the classroom. So I'm adding the 3 photos below so you can take a look at those as I go through them. The first photo is the one of the bricks, the white bricks. This one demonstrates the CARP principle. These are the bricks in the fireplace at my house. It shows contrast because there's the white and the black shadows. And it also shows contrast in the directions that the bricks are going. It shows alignment in the way that the bricks line up with each other, and there's actual lines going between them. There's repetition because the bricks are all in a row, as well as the slats for the airflow. They go in different directions, but the repetition is there. And finally, it shows proximity because the slats group together and the bricks group together. So those similar objects are grouped together. The second photo is going to be the one of the lake. This one demonstrates Gestalt's principle of continuity. This is from a trip that we took this weekend to Canada at Lake Louise. There is an invisible line that is drawn between the mountains and the reflection in the lake. It shows a lot of that continuity in it. We naturally see that line and the symmetry that it creates. And it creates this invisible X shape, which is really cool. The last photo is the one with the leaves. This one is Gestalt's principle of proximity. It demonstrates proximity because it groups the piles of leaves together. You see the 2 piles very clearly. You're drawn to those. You don't really see the ones that are scattered on the street or the ones that are in the yards nearby. Instead, you're drawn to the 2 distinct piles of leaves. So that would be the principle of proximity. So overall, those are my 3 photos. It was really interesting learning about these principles this week, and I look forward to being able to use them in the classroom someday.